Okay, so today we're making a vlog, and I'm gonna post it on the same day. So it depends on when you watch it. I'm posting the same day though, regardless. So if you watch it today when I upload, you're watching it the same day. If you watch it another day, then of course you're not watching it the same day. But it's gonna be me and the gang today. It's gonna be me and my boy Kev, the one that be in all the videos with me. It's gonna be my brothers Rashad and Braylon with me as well. We're probably gonna go out to eat. I did turn 19 today, so we're probably gonna go out to eat. Not really just because of that, because we just don't all get to hang out like that anymore. So this happens if we got to hang out today. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make a little vlog about it. Enjoy that.
Why is he looking around like that?
Hey, bud. First, I ain't see you, dude. Believe it.
Boss up on these niggas, 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 boss up on these niggas. Every street nigga feel. I give everything back to how my nigga here. I give everything back to how my nigga with me. I already know how it'll be if I have my nigga with me. Shit from Bell, my work from Germany.
Hey, I might have to download the album now, bro.
I like patty cake. I cut that nigga like patty cake. I'm swing, I got feel, I got salt.
I got this.
Hey, that light better now, bro. That light better now. Oh man, oh man. Hey, talk to him.
You already know what we doing.
Come on, man. Let a real nigga buy. Let a real nigga buy. Real nigga buy.
Arguing like hell with somebody.
Black? Is she black?
Yeah. She arguing like hell. Like really, bro? Did you just pull this out? You better not. That's how you die. That's how you die right there. You pull something you want to.
Like they were hanging out wear shorts.
You know how girls do at parties? How they have them to wear hats? That was her. You caught him while you trying. Is that Reed? Is that Brandon or Reed? Oh, that's Jared.
Who?
That's Derek.
Derek.
Yeah. Well, hell no.
Yo, my nigga.
Oh, these niggas is.
Yo, shit, bro.
I'll tee it up for you real quick. Oh, I got you. I got you when we get to this parking lot. Tee it up real quick.
You gonna dance?
But I won't.
I don't really care if you cry.
But I need to go play it for him.
On that
I'm the only one, okay though. She beat her face up with that new Chanel. She like the place, she see the ice and make her coochie melt. When I met her in the club, I asked her what she felt. Then she went and put that booty on that Gucci belt. We don't got no label. She say she want bottles. She ain't got no table. She don't got no bed frame. She don't got no tables. We just watching Netflix. She ain't got no cable. Okay though. Look, I'm the plug for her. She want a nigga that pull her hair and hold the door for her. Baby, that's only me. Bitch, you don't get with me. Baby, okay. Yeah, you're looking at the truth. The money never lie. No, I'm the one. Yeah. I'm the one. I'm the only one. Looking for the one Bitch, you looking at the one. I'm the best yet, and yet my best is yet to come. Cause I've been looking for somebody, not just any fucking body. Don't make me catch a body, that's for any and everybody. Oh my god, she hit me up all day and no response. Bitch, you blow my heart, that's like turning gold to bronze. Roll my
Oh my god, this for the culture, man. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Hey.
You're right.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Talk to him. She said, baby, I am not afraid to push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. It's alright.
Video? Treasure My Galaxy? That's what we got that. I know. We've been doing that since like kindergarten.
They know they want to sing.
I never break so hard. I moved to the city in a broke down car. And 4 years, no calls. But now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older.
That's the best part, bro, I swear.
We ain't never getting older.
Bro,
That's what we should have went.
where?
Damn Texas Roadhouse. That shit smack. That shit smack. You can't choose which case to get, so you get both sides.
They don't have no cases in there for the 7 plus. But it seems like every time I want to get my girl something and I call her about it, she don't answer. It's like she knows that I'm about to be like, hey, you want this?
I just buy it.
I don't even know. But I don't want to buy nothing that she don't.
Don't throw any of the coins.
Yeah.
Want that shit,
I
I'm
be
throwing
throwing
that
them
bitch
coins
away.
away, bro. It's a bit like the
Video with a
50th
nickel?
time.
Oh, what?
No, I don't like the nickels,
Nah,
bro.
nah,
I don't
nah,
like the
nickels.
nickels.
All dimes on this side.
I fold them quarters.
Them dimes too. Hold on now. Went in the Five Below. Had to cop some cases in the screen protector because it's unprotected.
They ain't have shit.
That's because niggas is fancy.
I'm gonna test
7 plus?
I'm gonna
Niggas
test
is
out
fancy.
outside mainstream rap knowledge in a little bit.
You better bump some rap knowledge.
I'm gonna test it a little bit. I'm gonna test
You
it.
talking mainstream? You want to go underground?
Y'all ready?
Go ahead, B.
Go ahead, man. Show us what you got. Oh, yeah, that's the one I gave you? You gotta put that screen protector on now.
Not forcing it no more.
My watch, my chain, my wrist,
Why you force that?
my bitch, my shoes, my pants.
This nigga blew the horn, bro. Damn.
My watch, my chain, my chain. Tell your man I'm sorry. Honey on my wrist, jumping out the bar. She know how to party. When I'm with my bitch, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up. I gotta go. I got a few girls in the way, baby girl, we ain't leaving. It's my birthday, we can't fuck it up and let me eat it. Pull up on your bitch, tell your man I'm sorry. Honey on my wrist, jumping out the door.
You seeing with it.
big facts. Hey, I'm gonna put your Instagram up there.
Yeah.
Put his Instagram up there.
Yeah.
Got to.
Yeah. That way. The sauce way.
The sauce way. The sauce way.
But you already know. It was another successful day with
Hey.
the bro.
This one might be the best one.
Oh no, we got some big ones coming up.
We got some big ones coming.
You already know this summer's a movie all summer, every day.
It's pretty iconic, man. Hopefully these work schedules don't be colliding like that.
Oh, big facts. We could work around that anyway.
Schedule some days off, man.
Black
Hey, like and subscribe.
Sorry, you know.
Share that hoe like a thought.
Pass her around to the bros.
Best to the girls too.
Oh yeah, best believe. Shotties, if y'all watching this and y'all support it, much love.
My man got dominoes.
That baby knocked.
Nah, boy. Throw.
Like drooping.
She snuck some lean in the baby cup.
Hey, might have. Cha. You already know what it is. Back at you again. Coming real soon. It's gonna wrap up our 3-peat. Yeah.
We doing a giveaway too soon.
Yeah, keep your eye out for that giveaway. That giveaway about to be dope. Tell your friends about it. Matter of fact, that's how you're gonna be entered to win the giveaway before we even announce what the giveaway is.
Good question. Not a good question.
You gotta share this video with 5 friends. 5 friends. And I need the screenshots of you sharing it with them. You can block out their name or whatever, but you gotta share it with 5 friends. Yeah.
Facts.
Yeah, we're gonna do it like that. Share it with 5 friends, DM it to our IG. You already know what the IG is. If you don't, it's gonna be coming real soon. And we're gonna catch y'all next time.
I got a selfie with Oprah, I just ain't ever posted. And I'm in my happy place posted. I ain't frowned since 06, I ain't cried since 01. My bad like 6 Flags and your house is no fun. You can come back to mine though, you're friend and cute but it's fine though. We gon' end on a high note. I spy with my little eye, a girly I can get cause she don't get too many likes. A curly headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh,